Part 2 of Google Sheets Basics, we're going to finish up with some formulas that we looked at in the last video. So where we left off last was we were totaling up some points for this basketball roster team. What we need to finish is the highest points, lowest points, and average. Now if you remember from the first video, what we did was we always do equals first, and then for this one we're finding the maximum amount of points scored, max, enter. Click and drag over the 5 different games, and it has 35 was the most. Remember again, if we click on the square, we drag it down, it automatically duplicates the formula for us. Let's move on to minimum. Equals min, enter, over the 5 games, enter again. Lowest was 4, duplicates it as well. And this is indicating what is the lowest number out of these last 5 games. And the last one, average. We go equals. Type in the word average. Enter. Click and drag. This player averaged 16 points. Duplicate the formula. 11.6, 16.6, 38.6. Now, the last part that we need to go over is how do we include a graph using Google Sheets. Now, if we want to include a graph, we just first need to locate the amount of information that we want included in the graph. So I'm going to click on these. And then once we go to Insert Chart, what Google Sheets does, it gives us some recommendations. So if we went with this graph that we have here, hit Insert, it would be a visual now of what we located. So there's a lot of different charts you could use with this. So if we want to click and highlight this and put it into a pie chart, it gives us the percents. So really nice to use, makes it look really nice and clean when it comes to this. So this was part 2 of Google Sheets Basics. What we covered was how to find the highest points, lowest points, average, and how to add graphs.